Delta 2787, fly heading 150, is going to maintain 3000.
That's 3000, Delta 2787.
2265, Metro Report, 10 o'clock, 11 miles.
Delta 2265.
2265, Phillips heading 245, clear visual approach, runway 21 left.
245, clear for the visual, 21 left, Delta 2265.
Maintain 170 knots over radar until the 5 mile final. Contact Metro Tower.
70 years radar 5 over tower, Delta 2265.
Whiskey, Papa 3, hold short, runway.
Jet USA 570 boarding.
Yes,
Tower Jet USA 570 boarding. We got a dead engine.
570, roger, stay in tension.
Taxi back signature.
Say 570, roger, taxi down, right turn Victor, and just short of Mike for now.
Turn Victor, hold short of Mike, Jet USA 570.
Say 570, continue Victor, Mike, and you don't need any assistance, you just need a taxi back?
Yeah, no assistance, we'll go Victor, Mike, signature, Jet USA 570. Towers at USA 570, our engine gauge is working now. Can we get a new takeoff clearance?
Say 570, affirmative, hold short going right, and I'll call you in sequence. Say 570 on F30, runway 21 right, clear to takeoff.
Right, clear takeoff on F30, Jet USA 570.
3565, next term, we go right, line of point.
Left point, break up 3565.
On have winners from a 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Winners, clear for takeoff 200 right, break here at 3565.
881, match tower, make 21 right, line of point.
Line of point, exit Jet 881.
Say 570, contact departure, good day.
Departure, Jet USA 570, good day.
Detroit approach, it's going to maintain 6,000. 33, turn right heading 040. 40,
Victor, cross runway 22 left, then ground point 8, see ya.
Tango Romeo, contact departure today. Romeo, see you later, thanks.
That's high speed in Whiskey Papa 3 and hold short of runway 21 right with me. (1781) Master Tower, you ready to go?
Affirmative.
1781, RNAV Sergey, runway 21 right, so takeoff.
21 right, lift takeoff for 1781.
Behind Delta, Papa, please.
(3358) right Whiskey, Papa 3, hold short of runway 21 right with me.
Whiskey 3 right on Whiskey and then Whiskey 3 and hold short of 3 left on Boeing 3358.
3358, Papa 3, hold short of runway 21 right.
Hold short of runway 28 right on Boeing 3358.
Delta 8082, contact departure, see ya. Delta 8082, good day. 3675, contact departure, see ya.
To departure, SkyWest 3678.
2030 Venture Tower, RNAV 2 Sergey, runway 21 right, so take off.
RNAV Sergey, 21 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 2030.
Rejected 5488, heavy, cleared straight into parking. 5488, heavy, affirmative, see ya. See ya.
Departure, good afternoon, SkyWest 3816, 1,600 time via the Howie.
Detroit departure, radar contact.
Good afternoon, it's Lufthansa Boeing
30 heavy, Detroit departure, radar contact, climb via.
Roger, understood, climb via SID, Lufthansa Boeing
30 heavy, sorry, that came in a little bit rugged. I just want to verify you are climbing via the departure.
We climb via the tendency departure, but climb a step down.
RNS Sergey, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Sergey, 21 right, clear for takeoff, 2431.
Team November 347 November Alpha, Metro Charmy, 21 right, line up buoyant.
Line up buoyant, 7 November Alpha.
Contact departure, good day.
And 13 full.
Our Blue Streak 5172 is on the visual, 209.
172, Mexico Army, 12 left clear to land, wind 2709.
Left clear to land, Blue Streak 5172.
54 Mexico Army, 1 right line of Hawaii, suspended for the wake. 1 right line of Hawaii, Delta 4264. Heavy contact departure, good day. Thanks to Heavy, thank you very much, bye-bye. Contact departure. Have a good day. Delta 1686, good day. Delta 1686, Metro Tower, RNAV 2, Sergey, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. Sergey, 21 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1686. Air France 378 Echo Heavy, turn right Tango, contact ramp at Juliet 9. Contact ground, Juliet 9 now, officer 378 Tango. Clear 21 left, heading to the departure end of 21 right. Okay, 7 contact departure. 97, stay up. Q172, traffic holding in position, cross runway 21 right, join Foxtrot, call ground point 8.
21 right, Foxtrot and ground point 8, Blue Streak 5172.
35, contact departure, good day. Foxtrot Delta 1135, good day.
Delta 2316, RNAV Sergey, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 21 right, RNAV Sergey, Delta 2316.
3965, Metro Tower, runway 21 right, line up and wait.
Alright, line up and wait, guys, 3965. JetBlue 1336, contact departure, see ya. Departure JetBlue 1336, see ya.
Southern 61, Whiskey 2, what's your gate?
2, we're parking Charlie 25, Skywest 3961.
One taxi, Whiskey Tango, contact the ramp.
Whiskey Tango over to ramp, Skywest 3961.
Skywest 3581, please go to 1 left.
581, Metro, welcome back, runway 21 left, third land, wind 25011, caution turbulence, heavy Airbus for final.
Next left, 1 left, Skywest 3581.
The 443 heavy, verify your transponders on. Okay. 443 heavy, contact departure, good day.
443 departure, good day.
Metro Tower, RNAV Sergey, runway 219, let's take off.
Number 4947, departure, see ya.
See you there, 4947.
707, Mike 3 to Mike, cross 9 left to the ramp, good day.
3 to Mike, and cross 9 left the ramp, thanks, Erie Shore 737.
5 Mike Charlie, 0102, see ya. Contact, or tilt to 2480, contact departure, good day.
2480, push and see it.
Tower again.
That was 3558 going to Charlie 19.
3558, Whiskey Tango Juliet 9, call the ramp.
Tango, Juliet, and then call ramp, Scala 3558.
3558 Juliet 9er, call the ramp.
9er call ramp, Scala 3558.
4166, connect departure.
See you later.
Good evening, Delta 1430, vehicle for 21 left.
The 1430 Metro Tower, went to a left, clear land.
1 left, 1430.
3558, I need you to move.
Let's go 3558.
05 Heavy, Whiskey 2, Whiskey 4, hold short, runway 21 left.
Whiskey 2, Whiskey 4, hold short, 21 left, side 55. 47, 2 left. 47 Matt Jeremy, 2 left for the land with 2709. So 47, 2 left. RNF Sergey, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. Sergey, 21 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1467. 658, Metro Tower, made 21 right, line up away. Right, line up away, number 4658. Contact departure, good day.
776.
Up 1797, Tango Rapid Julia 9, see ya.
Julia 9, ramp up 1797, see ya.
37 Metro Tower, crash white trip, passes the wake of a heavy 747 off the parallel. RNAV 4s, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. 1037 Metro Tower, runway 21 right, line up and wait. 21 right, Delta 1037.
Delta 2343, clear to land, 21 left.
2343, 21 left, clear to land.
21 left, Delta 2343, thanks.
United 302, contact departure, have a good day.
United 302, good day.
For 4881, which gate was it?
Number 48.
Number 4881, Whiskey Tango Rapid Juliet 9.
Tango Rapid Juliet 9, 40. Good day, sir. Turn right, Whiskey, top 3, cross, runway 21 right, and then call ground point 8.
Whiskey, Papa 3, cross 21 right, ground point 8, on 3 flight 1035.
443 Heavy, tire you up and ready. Tower, good day, Lufthansa 443 Heavy, fully ready. The 443 Heavy traffic is on a 5-mile final. RNAV to winners, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff. The 443 Heavy, RNAV to winners, clear for takeoff, runway 21 left. 32 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
Good day, Delta 132 Heavy.
Trigger 3437, right whiskey, top 3. Hold short of runway 21 right with me.
Whiskey Papa 3, hold short, 21 right with you, Breaker 3437.
Delta 1037, RNAV to Sergey, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. Sergey, 21 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1037. Delta 1343, Metro Tower, runway 21 right, last point. Alright, let him wait, Delta 1343.
Jet 881, visual 21 left.
Jet 881, Metro Tower, caution wake 2 from the trail of an Airbus 2-mile final, runway 21 left, clear to land.
I'm still landing at Jet 881.
Southwest 4837, contact departure, see you. Delta 1070, left turn off the gate. Back ramp. See ya. Delta 8882, Metro Tower, RNAV to Ford, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Ford, 21 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 8882.
Endeavor 4978, Metro Tower, number 2, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Clear to land.
21 left. Bravo.
2651, contact departure date.
Or departure date, got 371.
contact departure. Good day. Train 83 deck.
645 West Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land. Has right turbulence on the Airbus 330. 146 RNAV, winners, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
There's runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. There is 140.
269, what's your gate? 3869, Whiskey, Tango, I'm sorry, let's say yeah, Tango J9 for the ramp. Retire number 2, runway 21 left, clear land.
Runway 9 on F4, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. First 21 right, clear for takeoff, Scott 5189. 5060, Metro Tower, runway 21 right, line of Hawaii. 21 right, there, 5060.